Do you want to speak English more confidently? In this lesson, I will teach you 75 essential English phrases that you can use in daily conversations. These are perfect for A2-level learners and they will help you sound more natural in English. First, I will say each phrase twice. Then I will explain the meaning in simple words. Finally, I will repeat it again so you can practice with me. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Let's get started. Greetings and small talk. How have you been? How have you been? Use this to ask someone how they have been recently. How have you been? Long time no see. Long time no see. Say this when you haven't seen someone in a long time. Long time no see. What's new? What's new? An informal way of asking what is happening in someone's life. What's new? How was your day? How was your day? Use this to ask about someone's day. How was your day? It's great to see you. It's great to see you. Use this to express happiness when seeing someone. It's great to see you. Expressing emotions and feelings. I feel a bit tired. I feel a bit tired. Use this to describe feeling tired. I feel a bit tired. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about this. Use this to express happiness or excitement. I'm so excited about this. I'm feeling a little down today. I'm feeling a little down today. Use this when you are feeling sad or low. I'm feeling a little down today. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Use this to express surprise at something you heard or saw. I can't believe it. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Use this to express happiness for someone else. I'm so happy for you. At home and daily life. Can you pass me the remote, please? Can you pass me the remote, please? Use this when asking for something at home like a remote. Can you pass me the remote, please? I need to do the laundry. I need to do the laundry. Use this when talking about household chores such as washing clothes. I need to do the laundry. I'm making dinner right now. I'm making dinner right now. Use this when talking about preparing food. I'm making dinner right now. Let's clean the house tomorrow. Let's clean the house tomorrow. Use this to make plans for chores in near future. Let's clean the house tomorrow. I need to go grocery shopping. I need to go grocery shopping. Use this when you need to buy food in a supermarket or grocery store. I need to go grocery shopping. Talking about the weather. It's sunny today. It's sunny today. Use this to describe sunny weather. It's sunny today. It's raining right now. It's raining right now. Use this to describe rainy weather. It's raining right now. It looks like it's going to snow. It looks like it's going to snow. Use this when you think it might snow soon. It looks like it's going to snow. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. Use this to describe chilly weather. It's cold outside. I hope the weather gets better. I hope the weather gets better. Use this when you wish for nicer weather. I hope the weather gets better. Expressing likes and dislikes. I really like this song. I really like this song. Use this when you enjoy something a lot. I really like this song. I don't mind that movie. I don't mind that movie. Use this to say something is okay but not your favorite. I don't mind that movie. I love reading books. I love reading books. Use this when you really enjoy an activity. I love reading books. I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. Use this to express dislike for food or something specific. I don't like spicy food. I enjoy listening to music. I enjoy listening to music. Use this to express liking an activity. I enjoy listening to music. At the workplace. Can you send me the email? Can you send me the email? Ask someone to send you an email. Can you send me the email? I'm working on a task. I'm working on a task. Use this when you are doing a specific job. I'm working on a task. Please review this report. Please review this report. Ask someone to check or review something. Please review this report. I will finish it tomorrow. I will finish it tomorrow. Use this when giving a deadline to complete something. I will finish it tomorrow. Let's meet at 3 p.m. Let's meet at 3 p.m. Use this to schedule a meeting time. Let's meet at 3 p.m. Expressing agreement and disagreement. I agree with you. I agree with you. Use this to express that you think someone is right. I agree with you. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. Use this to disagree politely. I don't agree with that. That's a good point. That's a good point. Use this to agree with someone's argument. That's a good point. I see your point, but I think differently. I see your point, but I think differently. Use this to show partial agreement, but offer a different opinion. I see your point, but I think differently. That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. Use this to clarify something you said. That's not what I meant. Expressing opinions and preferences. I think it's a great idea. I think it's a great idea. Use this to agree with someone and give a positive opinion. I think it's a great idea. I prefer tea over coffee. I prefer tea over coffee. Use this to express a preference between two options. I prefer tea over coffee. In my opinion, it's too expensive. In my opinion, it's too expensive. Use this to share your opinion about the price of something. In my opinion, it's too expensive. It's not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea. A common way to say you don't like something. It's not my cup of tea. Travel and directions. How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport? Use this when you need directions to the airport. How do I get to the airport? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Ask this when you want to know the distance. Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? Use this when asking for directions and need visual help. Can you show me on the map? I'm looking for this address. I'm looking for this address. Use this when asking for a specific location. I'm looking for this address. How much is the ticket? How much is the ticket? Ask this when you want to know the price of transportation. How much is the ticket? If you learned something new today, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with all your friends. Comment below your favorite phrase in English. See you in the next video.